Hello, hello, YouTube fam. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Here we go. All right, yeah. Wipe the lens. Wipe the lens. Okay. All right. So here we are out here in my new indoor grow setup. Just want to show you guys what I have going on, and I need to put in for that hashtag WIG 2023 with GTR Junior Grows in Alaska and Mike's Chaotic Garden. So I've been putting it off, and of course, 2024, here I am just now putting in for something that started in 2023. But guess what? We in. All right, so here we go. Show you the setup a little bit. Just put these racks up, upgraded the racks actually. So I grew out here last year, and this is the third version of this setup. And of course, we're trying to do bigger, better, grow more. You know, there's always room to grow. All right, so basically what I have here is a 6-shelf rack from Home Depot and 10 grow lights. And I went ahead and got some little pots, little shelves, everything from Bootstrap Farming that I could use to grow indoors. Still working on the hydroponic system. If you notice over here, I have a couple of little ones. I have a arrow garden behind me that I haven't started yet, or I'm still practicing with those particular setups, but hopefully more in the future on those. But for the hashtag WIG 2023, let's look at what we're going to be growing. So let's pan over here, all right, and check out this. So last year I had a little problem with growing spinach, and so I just went ahead and looked for some substitutes. And what I found was succulents. Yeah, from Baker Creek Seeds, rareseeds.com. I found these succulents and decided, you know what, I'll try these because from what they're saying, these are supposed to be delicious, slightly tart spinach substitutes. And that's going to be ice plant. And like I said, these are succulents. This is purple stardust ice plant. And again, Baker Creek, rareseeds.com is saying an excellent spinach substitute. And then the last one is going to be water leaf, Boko Boko spinach. And again, spinach is in the name, so we're going to rock with it as a spinach substitute. And so that's what I'm going to be growing for hashtag WIG 2023. And actually, I'm growing them indoors, but because this is an experiment, I have 4 of these little pots. And I'm actually going to be trying to grow 2 of them outdoors. Now, I'll probably start them indoors and then put them outdoors. But I need to see how they're going to handle this zone 8A, now 8B weather. And if they do well outside, of course, we'll keep growing them. But if they do well inside, 100% we'll keep growing. Now, one thing I want to show you guys, it came up in a live about lavender. And what I mentioned to everybody was I was kind of struggling with this lavender from seed. But I put it in a pot, put it in some soil, water, still a little water in there, put that thing in a windowsill and walked away. And as you can see, I have lavender. Now, how it's going to do once it comes out the bag, I have no idea. But the good news is that over here, I actually have another lavender plant. So next year, 2024, Sweet Thumb will have lavender. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Sweet Thumb.